Right now, from the Mississippi Live Weather Center, here's meteorologist Gabe Maynor.
Patchy fog for our morning commute, but overall a calm pattern moving into our Friday morning. I'm meteorologist Gabe Maynor. Good morning and happy Friday across North Mississippi. Temperature-wise, 77 by 8, upper 80s there by 11, and we're back to the 90s towards this afternoon, so the hot and muggy forecast, that's really the story through the day, but some limited rain chances do move into the forecast heading into our afternoon. Let's track that out right here. Futurecast for your Friday morning. Staying on the drier side with a few of those showers lingering out there towards northwest Alabama. Mid to late morning, those rain chances really steer clear of us here in North Mississippi, so that's what I'm talking about. That calm start to the day should be in effect for all of North Mississippi. Light showers do try to pop up there by noontime, and really our best rain chance is going to be primarily towards that mid-afternoon time frame. A few of these isolated showers and storms popping up, some with some brief heavy downpours, but overall not going to be too shabby of a forecast, and a lot of us staying on the drier side through the day. I think Futurecast is a little bit too ambitious on these rain chances, but yes, we could see a few pop-up showers that have those heavy downpours and even a few rumbles of thunder embedded within that. But this is our story right here. Low to mid 90s for our high temperatures, and heat indices follow that same trend. So not only is it hot, it's also muggy, and the heat advisories are in effect for the Delta, extending there towards Grenada and Yalobusha County as a result of those heat indices being 105 plus. So for your day planner, starting out the day in the mid 70s, that's where we currently sit at, but that patchy fog is really the highlight to our morning commute. But towards lunchtime, 89 degrees, 92 there by 5, topping out around the low to mid 90s. Heading through our weekend, temperatures continue to climb, mid 90s for your Saturday and Sunday, both paired with plenty of sunshine. Very limited rain chances for our weekend, so keep those drier conditions around. That continues to be the case by Monday, and temperatures about 98 degrees, so it's going to be toasty. Fortunately, though, a little bit of a drier air pattern, so not feeling as muggy for your Sunday and Monday. But with temperatures being 98 degrees, well, I mean, it's still going to be brutal heat. So that's one of the things we'll be tracking coming up this evening at 5, 6, and 10 here on Mississippi Live Weather is the heat and when those rain chances return. And of course, giving you updates on the tropics as Aaron continues to ramp up going forward. All of that coming up this evening. We'll see you there.
Even the mighty might not see it coming. It's prediabetes, and it captures 1 in 3 adults. But you can escape. Take the 1-minute prediabetes risk test to know where you stand and prevent or delay type 2 diabetes. Be your own hero on smartphones everywhere at doihaveprediabetes.org.